We are under attack!
What you have just watched was not filmed with a camera. No actors, no film crew, no expensive equipment. That entire cinematic scene was created using AI. Now here's the secret most people still don't realize. Creating cinematic AI movies has become incredibly simple, fast, and powerful. The tools are evolving faster than anyone expected, and the creators who understand them today will dominate the content world tomorrow. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how I created that cinematic movie scene using VEO3 and Filmora, step by step. And once you see how easy this process really is, you'll realize that creating your own AI cinematic movies is no longer a dream. It's a skill you can start using today. Now imagine being able to create scenes like that whenever you want. And the process is actually very simple. First, we'll generate cinematic movie scenes from text prompts. Second, we'll bring those images to life and turn them into moving shots. And finally, we'll combine all the scenes together to create one complete cinematic movie scene. So let's start with the first step. First, we need to download Filmora. Simply search for Filmora. You can use the link in the description to download it for free. Once you open the website, you'll immediately see the download button. Just click on it, and the download will start instantly. Since I already have Filmora downloaded and installed, I'll open the software. Now here you can see several powerful AI tools inside Filmora. And if you click on the three dots, you'll discover that Filmora is packed with a wide range of advanced AI features. Tools like audio to video, smart short clips, AI video enhancer, AI idea to video, and many more powerful AI tools designed to make video creation incredibly easy. Now I'll click on New Project. And as you can see, we've just entered the Filmora Editing workspace. This is the project media area where we can import our files, organize our assets, and start editing our videos. Now in the first step, we're going to generate our movie scenes from text prompts. So I'll go to Stock Media and then click on AI Media. Here you'll see several powerful options like image to video, text to video, video extend, and AI image. For this step, I'll select AI image. Now Filmora lets you choose between different AI models such as Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, and Standard 2.0. I'll choose Nano Banana Pro, one of my favorite models for generating high-quality cinematic images. Next is the prompt section. As you can see, I already have my scene prompts ready. I'll copy the first scene prompt and paste it into the text-to-image prompt box. After that, you can choose the image resolution, 1080, 1440, or 2160 pixels. I'll select 2160 for maximum quality. Then choose the aspect ratio, 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. Since we're creating a YouTube video, I'll stick with 16:9. And finally, click Generate. And within just a few seconds, our cinematic image is ready. Now simply click on the download button. Once you download the image, you may notice a Filmora watermark on it, but don't worry, Filmora provides a very simple way to remove it. As you can see, I click on the plus button, then from the left menu, scroll down and select Remover. Next, choose Smart Selection and simply highlight the watermark logo, then click on the Remove button, and within seconds, the watermark disappears and the image looks clean and cinematic. Next, I'll take the second scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Filmora's AI prompt section. Using the same settings as before, I click Generate again. And within seconds, we get another high-quality cinematic image perfectly matching the prompt. It's just that simple to create consistent, stunning scenes for your movie. And just like before, I'll download the image, then I'll use the same remover process to quickly erase the watermark, giving us another clean cinematic scene ready for the movie. I'll repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes, and once all the images are generated, I'll show you the final cinematic results. Here are all the stunning cinematic images we generated using Filmora. Now it's time to bring them to life. We're moving from text to image to text to video, transforming static creations into dynamic, cinematic scenes that feel alive. I've organized all the images scene by scene, making it much easier to combine and encapsulate them into a seamless cinematic sequence later. I'll open Filmora, then go to Stock Media and click AI Media. This time, I'll select Image to Video. Here, Filmora shows different AI models like VEO 3.1 and Sora 2. I'll choose VEO 3.1. Then you can adjust the start and end frames for your video. If you click Reference to Video, you'll see even more powerful options. Finally, in the video element editor, you can add, replace, or remove elements to customize your scene exactly how you want. Now, I'll go to Image to Video and upload the first scene image. Then I'll copy the text prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Filmora's prompt section to guide the AI on how to bring the image to life. Next, you can choose the resolution, 720 or 1080 pixels, and the duration, 4, 6, or 8 seconds. Pick your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical videos. Once everything is set, just click Generate. And as you can see, the AI starts transforming the image into a cinematic video. Within just a few seconds, our video is generated. And as you can see, the cinematic touch in this clip is absolutely stunning. Next, I'll delete the first scene image and upload the second scene image. Then I'll copy the second scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Filmora's prompt section. Using the same settings, I click Generate. And within a few seconds, the second cinematic scene is ready. Watch this.
Stay alert! We are under attack!
I'll follow the same process for all the remaining scenes, turning each image into a cinematic video clip. And once all the clips are generated, I'll show you the final results. Now that all our video scenes are ready, it's time for step 4, the final step. We're going to move into Filmora's editing timeline and bring everything together. Here, we'll arrange the clips, refine the flow, and encapsulate all the scenes into one complete cinematic movie sequence. As you can see, I've imported all the video scenes into Filmora, and now I'll place them onto the timeline. You may notice the Filmora watermark on the clips. You can use the AI watermark remover or simply zoom into the video to hide the watermark. I'll quickly zoom in to remove it from the frame. After that, I'll review each clip and make a few quick adjustments, like trimming or speeding up certain parts to improve the overall flow of the video. To save time, I'll fast forward this part of the process. Now that all the necessary adjustments are done, next I'll add transitions for a smoother cinematic flow. I'll go to the Transitions tab and use dissolve and fade transitions between the clips to create a cinematic flow. And again, to save time, I'll fast forward this part of the process. Once all the transitions are placed, you can also adjust the transition duration to make the scene flow even smoother. Now the video is almost ready, but there's one small step that can make the entire scene look much more cinematic, almost like a Hollywood production. Inside Filmora, we can easily enhance the video quality. Simply select the video clip you want to improve. Then go to the editing panel, scroll down, and you'll find the AI Video Enhancer option. Here you can choose between 2 AI models. I'll select Topaz Starlight, which is a powerful model designed specifically for video enhancement, then click Generate. The process starts, and within about a minute, the clip is beautifully enhanced. And as you can see, the result looks much sharper and more cinematic. Once everything looks perfect, click on the Export button. Here, you can give your video a title, choose the save location, and select the resolution. Filmora allows you to export in up to 4K resolution. After setting everything, click on the export button and your cinematic video will start exporting. The link to Filmora is in the description. You can download it for free. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support truly means the world to me. I'll also share all the prompts I use to generate each scene in the description so you can easily recreate the scenes or build your own cinematic movie.